Can a no-contest plea be used against you in civil court? Imagine facing a criminal charge and wondering if your decision to accept a plea deal could come back to haunt you later. That's a common concern, especially when civil lawsuits are involved. Today, we're going to clarify whether a no-contest plea can be used against you in civil court. A no-contest plea, also called nolo contendere, means you do not admit guilt but agree to accept the punishment as if you were guilty. In criminal court, this results in a conviction and sentencing just like a guilty plea. But the big question is how this plea affects civil court cases that might follow. In most places, a no-contest plea cannot be used as an admission of guilt in a civil lawsuit based on the same facts. This means if someone sues you after your criminal case, your no-contest plea generally can't be introduced as proof that you were responsible or negligent. The person suing you has to prove their case without relying on your plea. This is why many defendants choose a no-contest plea. It helps avoid admitting guilt, which could be used against them later in civil court. While a guilty plea is a clear admission of guilt and can be used as evidence, a no-contest plea offers some protection from that. However, this protection isn't the same everywhere. In misdemeanor cases, a no-contest plea is usually protected from use in civil court. But in felony cases, many jurisdictions treat a no-contest plea the same as a guilty plea for civil purposes. That means it can sometimes be used as evidence in civil lawsuits. Some states or courts might allow limited use of a no-contest plea depending on the situation. So, it's not a guarantee that your plea will always be off-limits in civil court. From a criminal defense point of view, choosing a no-contest plea can be a smart move if you want to resolve the criminal case without admitting guilt. It can help keep your civil case separate and protect your reputation. But remember, a no-contest plea still results in a criminal conviction. You face the same penalties, and it stays on your record. Judges must approve this type of plea, and prosecutors might not always offer it. In summary, in many misdemeanor cases, a no-contest plea generally can't be used against you in civil court. It provides some legal protection, but this varies depending on the jurisdiction and the type of crime. It's important to understand that it doesn't erase the criminal conviction or penalties. This makes a no-contest plea a useful tool in balancing criminal defense and civil risks.